I'm Sam Hoyle, your neighborhood reporter here in Bakersfield. Earlier this month, the Bakersfield-Kern Regional Homeless Collaborative unveiled its new strategic action plan, but that plan's not 100% new. According to Carlos Baldovinos, who chairs the collaborative, he says it's a revamp of their 2018 10-year plan in order to combat some of the challenges that arose during the COVID-19 pandemic.
We've had a 37% increase from year to year.
But what is the collaborative? Well, you've likely seen major players in it right here on this station and in your neighborhood banding together to systematically combat a complicated issue.
Flood Ministries, they're working on the outreach component of it. You have the Housing Authority. You have organizations like the Michigan County Open Door Network that are working with a certain population. The two M Street Navigation Center and Brundage Lane Navigation that are working with that population. There's been an incredible amount of collaboration within the collaborative partners, which that's very encouraging.
Looking at the point in time count, an annual metric looking into the number of unhoused individuals in communities across the county and the county as a whole, the number of unhoused people was declining year over year until about the time the COVID-19 pandemic. And over the last handful of years, that number of unhoused individuals has steadily risen in Kern County to their highest point in recorded history. So what's the focus of the plan? It's split into three parts: reducing the inflow of people experiencing homelessness through prevention and diversion efforts, strengthening support and resources for those currently unhoused, and lastly, increasing the support and resources for people attempting to get out of homelessness through things like affordable housing and services to exit the homeless cycle.
Things have changed in the last 4 or 5 years, as you mentioned. So we got to address them. We got to be very aggressive. To be honest with you, that's where I look at. We have to be aggressive and intentional on sticking to the plan.
And as changes made to the plan go into effect, Baldovinos and many others within this collaborative will be waiting with bated breath for the next point in time count to see if the changes they've made reflect positively. In Bakersfield, I'm Sam Hoyle, your neighborhood reporter.